As a content creator, blogger, or almost anyone else that runs a successful website, affiliate programs let you monetize the eyeballs that you attract so that you can earn a commission for promoting a product or brand. Done right, affiliate programs can be an excellent source of passive income. And people are figuring this out. Google Trends shows that the search for affiliate program and affiliate marketing doubled between 2015 and 2021 and really spiked in this last year. 2020 was when I earned my first dollar from affiliate partners, so I went into this new 30-day challenge with a little experience under my belt. My challenge for 30 days in July was to reach out to brands and get connected on affiliate platforms to give myself opportunities to promote products and earn passive income. I'll tell you how it all went in a moment, but first, let me quickly cover the nuts and bolts of affiliate marketing. So in the past, referrals or word of mouth advertising helped businesses grow their brand and develop a loyal customer base. In today's online world, this type of marketing still exists, but in the form of affiliate marketing. Users tend to trust the accounts that they follow. So when the affiliate, AKA the content creator, AKA maybe you, promote a link, the business that they are promoting is seen as trustworthy and verified. With affiliate marketing, brands pay for performance, which means that they don't pay affiliates unless affiliate links perform. Generally, they pay per sale. However, they may also choose to pay based on leads or even clicks. It's an easy, cost-effective way for brands to increase their sales and grow their business. And today I'm going to share the top affiliate programs for content creators. I'll share which ones that I joined. I'll share my process for finding and choosing brands to work with. And finally, I'll share how things went for me. Did I find partners to work with? Did I make any money? You'll soon find out. This is a big topic and a lot to cover, so if you get value out of this video, bump me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on future passive income challenges. I'll share my August challenge in the end. Now, the first thing I did was get re-familiar with affiliate partner networks that I knew from the past and began researching what new affiliate programs I could join. I mainly researched via YouTube videos and articles from Googling. I learned about dozens of affiliate programs, so my head was spinning. Here are a handful on screen that I came across the most to help you get started and point you in the right direction. I was already connected with Impact, Ascent, and Awin, and I especially actually really like the Impact platform. From there, the affiliate programs that I decided to apply to were CJ, ShareASale, Flex Offers, and Avant Link or Avant Link. I don't know. The process is unique for each, but they generally want to know how you plan to promote affiliate partner links. You also need to provide details about your website, social sites, how many followers you have, and so on. They want to make sure that you're legit and you have a following and a plan. Now, I have 15,000 subscribers on my main channel, The Money Resolution, and 5,000-ish subscribers on Medium, so I didn't think I'd run into any roadblocks getting accepted, but unfortunately, I was wrong. My application to join was declined by ShareASale and Flex Offers. I was able to get into CJ, which is Commission Junction, and my application is still pending with Avant Link, though only 30% it says get accepted. Next was the fun part, brainstorming brands that I wanted to work with. When you promote products that you like or even love, it becomes easier to convince others to pick up what you're putting down or promoting. I only want to promote brands that I use and trust, so naturally I thought of all the brands that I use and trust. And I was honestly surprised by how many brands I came up with. I quickly came up with over 50 brands, and that was too many to research individually, so I put each brand into one of three categories. Tier 1, dream brands. Tier 2, brands that I use less frequently that I'd still love to promote. And Tier 3, brands that didn't really fit with my channel or likely didn't have an affiliate program. Again, I found this process really fun, so if you do nothing else after watching this video, I challenge you to do the same. Sit down and reflect on brands that you'd like to work with and promote in a perfect world. Next, I researched each brand in the Tier 1 and 2 categories to see if they had an affiliate program, and if so, which program or platform they used. Roughly 2/3 of my Tier 1 brands had an affiliate program, and roughly half of my Tier 2 brands did. On a spreadsheet, I group brands together by affiliate platform. Note that some brands do have their own program and don't leverage the big affiliate networks. I decided not to pursue these brands because it was more hoops to jump through, to apply to, and I honestly didn't really feel qualified for most of them. From there, it was time to apply. Unfortunately, I had to eliminate roughly 10 brands that were using affiliate platforms that I wasn't accepted into. For the rest, I just applied. Each application can be unique, so it's good to have a few reasons you'd like to apply to brands ready to copy, paste, and edit just to speed up the process. When you can, provide specific ways that you'd like to promote the brands and why. To summarize, my process for finding brands to work with was 1. Brainstorm a list of brands that I use. 2. Decide on the brands that I want to work with the most. 3. Research each brand to see if they have an affiliate program. 4. Group brands together by affiliate platform and remove brands with no affiliate program. And 5. Apply to as many as possible. In the end, I applied to around 20 and I was able to link up with around 10 brands so far, if you include a few from my past experience. So, how do you make money from all of this? And is the income worth all of the effort? Your earnings from affiliate programs will depend on the commission model. For example, the pay per sale model offers between 5% and 30% commissions on average, while some companies offer flat commissions. The payment methods also differ. Some companies pay soon after the lead generation or sale, while others have a minimum threshold amount before they're going to pay out. They're all unique, so read through the information provided for each partner so that you have a good understanding of potential income and payouts. So, was I successful? Have I promoted any brands or made any money so far? I actually have. I worked with 2 brands on this new channel so far. The first brand I worked with was Vint, which is a company that allows users to invest in rare wines and spirits. I did a dedicated video review in, I think, February about Vint because it's a company that I use and trust. My February passive income challenge was alternative investing, and I decided to invest with Vint after independent research, choosing them over VinoVest. I also featured Vint as a channel sponsor on my most recent video with a 1-minute plug in the middle. From those 2 videos that had affiliate links in the description and a few random shorts, I was able to drive 64 clicks from around 1,000 total views. That led to 4 actions and about $100 in revenue so far. And actions were some combination of account creation and bank account linked. Not too shabby for a super small new YouTube channel. Imagine if one of those videos took off and I gained 10,000 or even 50,000 views. I could even pay to run videos as ads, and that is the power of affiliate links. Now, more recently, I got connected with a second brand, Unagi, and Unagi is an electric scooter company, and it's one that I've been using for the last few months. They agreed to a channel partnership if I talk about my experience using their flagship scooter, the Model 1 Classic. I plan to put together a full review on my main channel, but let me tell you about Unagi scooters now. I am loving my Unagi scooter. It's one of the lightest electric scooters on the market at just 28 pounds, making it extremely easy to fold up and carry. It has 3 speed levels depending on your experience or preference, and it maxes out at 20 miles per hour. Plus, you get up to 12 miles on a single charge, or you could upgrade to the Voyager and get 25 miles on one charge. Not to mention, this thing is a looker, and both models come in 5 great color options. The Unagi scooter is well designed and looks and feels premium. It's crafted from high quality materials, and of course, you'll save on gas. I use it mostly to go to the gym and or to pick up groceries from the local store when I just need a few things. And if I was still living in Seattle, I would probably use it twice as much because parking is a nightmare in big cities. If you're interested in buying, the Model 1 is just under $1,000, but what's really cool is that you can actually rent these scooters starting at $59 a month. So check it out if you could use some handy wheels, and let Unagi know that I sent you by using my affiliate link in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comments. Thank you, Unagi, for getting involved with this new channel. Finally, I have 3 quick tips for you if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing. Number 1, connect with brands and affiliate managers directly. Try to get on a call or chat face-to-face. My most successful partnerships came after getting to know the people at the companies and talking through ideas to learn more about the brands and best ways to promote their products. A well-crafted direct email is a very good way to start the conversation. 2, keep your expectations low. When I first learned about affiliates and sponsorships, I thought I could unlock a massive passive income stream, even as a small YouTuber. I worked with 4 or 5 brands in the past, and I was able to make at least a few bucks from each, but over the years, I have probably only earned around $1,000 in total. Now that said, I do still randomly get $20 or $50 here and there years after publishing those videos. Number 3, keep it simple. Focus on cultivating really strong connections with 2 or 3 brands. It's a lot less to manage compared to having 20 affiliate programs you're in across 5 or 6 different affiliate platforms. The approach I took this last month isn't necessarily the approach I'd recommend for most people. I was on a mission to learn and connect with as many brands as possible, but my energy was spread out and honestly a little scattered and unfocused. As a bonus tip, there is no need to include partners in every video. It can turn off viewers or at least slow down that trust that you want to establish first. I recommend promoting brands and products in about 1 out of every 4 videos or so, depending on your niche and frequency of posting. Either way, affiliate marketing and promoting brands that you love could be an absolutely fantastic opportunity for content creators if you commit to it and you have the time to manage it. Some content creators actually make the bulk of their income from brand deals and sponsorships and affiliates, so it's great to learn about that path, even if you're small or just starting out. It's a misconception that you need a lot of followers to work with brands, but never work with brands just for the money. For every 100 or so emails I get, I might respond to 1 or 2, and that's not a weird flex. 75% of those emails are definitely some sort of spam or fake. Pro tip, put your email in the description of everything that you post and have a separate email for this. Mine is at the very bottom of the description in this video and probably, I don't know, on screen. Let me know what you thought of my approach, and of course, drop any questions you might have below about affiliates. If you want access to more, including my passive income planning and research document for every monthly challenge, sign up for my Patreon. Link is in the description. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe so that you can see what I'm up to next, which is passive income from credit cards. I love this topic, so I'm excited to dive in and show you what I've learned. Have an awesome week or weekend ahead, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks.